Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you EPS cooler box mold test before export. The surface of the lids does not have the EPS filling gun and EPS position mark, which make the whole EPS cooler box looks more beautiful from outside. The lids and the bottoms are very tight when together. This helps to isolate the heat. These molds total have 6 cavities, include 3 lids and 3 boxes. In the next few minutes, let's take a close look at the mold and the foam products. For more information about EPS mold, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. We would love to hear from you. See you next video.